Good morning, everyone. I am Mary Grace Rimando, and I will be the first one who present the implementation, evaluation, and control in laboratory activity 9. Introduction. Implementing, controlling, and evaluating the marketing plan is significant to the success of a business establishment. It will help to determine how well its marketing operations are implemented and controlled. Even the best marketing efforts can yield unanticipated and frequently undesirable consequences if proper control and evaluation systems are not in place. Thus, marketing operations that are completed successfully aid organizations in achieving their strategic objectives. So, implementing, controlling, and evaluating the marketing plan are very crucial to every business establishment. Why? It's because it helps to organize and control. Also, it nurtures the strength of your business to become a successful. So that's why it's very important to have this marketing plan. Objective. Prepare implementation, evaluation, and control strategies. Methodology. The data has been gathered through external and internal observations of the establishment and a thorough analysis of its promotional tools. Furthermore, the information is obtained through factual research and the reading of various articles that are relevant to this activity. The strategies, on the other hand, were gathered through research on different strategies that are useful and relevant to the business establishment. So the continuation of the report will be presented by Ms. Connie Asis.
So moving on with the results and discussion. So we have the implementation strategies, control strategies, and evaluation strategies. Under the implementation strategies, we have the set goals and objectives, determine goal roles, relationships, and responsibilities, monitor progress, take appropriate actions, or adjust or revise as necessary. The control strategies, the tactical control, top-down controls. The evaluation strategies, the previously recorded data, pre-testing, and customer surveys. So these are the proposed strategies. So from our brainstorming, we formulated these implementation strategies that are appropriate and beneficial for our chosen establishment, Sigucha. Turning plans into action to achieve the desired outcome comes with effective implementation strategies. So to take action, Cebucho must set goals and objectives to provide and have a clear perception of the business. And from that, it will allow the establishment to simply execute and implement the plans, providing a clear picture of the marketing plan will pave a way for implementing the said plan. And it is important to determine what the new strategy objectives should be. Sibucha perhaps determines and establishes the roles, relationships, and responsibilities. To achieve the best results, each role in the business must concentrate on its responsibilities, create a clear image of what resource is responsible for, and create a communication procedure that everyone should follow, and an established relationship and a proper communication system with the employees will enable Sigucha to implement our proposed marketing plan effectively. Since Igucha had already fixed and established the relationship of the employees and already had established communication system, it's between its employees and management. So it will be much easier and effective to implement our proposed marketing plan. Moreover, it is vital to keep track on the company's success. So to take progress, Sibusha should use a monitoring technique use such as daily, weekly, and monthly status reports. It is vital for part of implementation plan because it will allow you to track your employees and company's progress. Furthermore, in Sibucha, adapting and changing relevant actions is vital to facilitating the implementation of our recommended marketing plan. as well as benefiting the establishment by allowing them to be flexible and willing to adapt or adjust or readjust rather plans as they supervise implementation. Moving on the control strategies. A tactic is a strategy for accomplishing a specific part of a bigger strategy. Tactical control is concerned with the company's current operations. Cebucha will benefit from tactical control because it will ensure that its marketing strategies and budget are strictly adhered to. A marketing plan in Cebucha could be an e-commerce solution for specific customers such as restaurants. This will allow the company to establish and develop its distribution channels as well as market its products. A tactic strategy, on the other hand, will allow the company to track its total performance and operations to check if sales and budget targets have been accomplished and to determine if its budget is being followed. In addition, the employment of rules, regulations, and official authority to direct performance is known as top-down control. Budget, statistical reports, and performance reviews are examples of tools used to control behavior and outcome that are considered useful for Cebucha. So next is the evaluation strategies. Promotional strategies are important in a business. Therefore, providing an effective promotional tool as well as evaluating its effectiveness must be done. Using the previously recorded data as a guide, which enables Cebucha to examine how competitive brands responded to promotional activity and use that data as a benchmark for similar products. On the other hand, pre-testing is effective for evaluating the effectiveness of promotional tools since it will determine the customer's appeal, customer awareness, repeat purchases, and perception of value, all factors to be considered. Cebucha can use the pre-testing technique to compare its outcomes to the results of the previous promotional technique and eliminate promotional techniques that failed. Customer surveys used to assess brand familiarity before and after sales campaign provide a precise assessment of the promotion's instant success. In conclusion, Cebucha's marketing plan is well organized but not yet incorporated. Only a few promotional tools are available in a business. As a result, Cebucha will need to use additional promotional techniques, including advertising as well as create their own website to sell, market, and display their products. They should consider distributing flyers and installing a budget-friendly billboard outside the business building to distinguish themselves from competitors. With their new promotion options, Cebucha will be able to attract more clients and persuade new customers. As a result, the business marketing plan will be established and overall business success will be achieved. So moving on with the learnings, challenges, and suggestions. So we have the learnings, the importance of implementing, controlling, and evaluating. Identify the various useful promotional tools, cooperation, and communication. We have the challenges is the inadequate source, unstable internet connection, and power supply. The strategies, we have the research and comprehension, and hard work is always key. So in this activity, we learned the importance of implementing, controlling, and assessing the marketing plan. We also learned about the various advertising tools that Cebucha might use. Furthermore, determining and evaluating the performance of a company's promotional instrument is necessary in order to propose some measures and strategies to address the company's promotional deficiencies and inability. Additionally, the most essential lesson of this activity is that it is accomplished by cooperation and communication among the group members. So the misconception and unconfirmed research regarding the technique described above are the few problems we've faced while doing this activity. In addition, the most difficult challenges are insufficient educational resources as well as unreliable internet connection and power supply. So regardless of the challenges, heart rate is always vital to success. A thorough analysis and comprehension of the lesson is one technique for overcoming the problem, and selecting a location with a more stable and reliable connection is always an excellent decision. So as a result, implementing this method may result in reducing future challenges. So those are the learnings, challenges, and suggestions. And that ends our presentation for the Laboratory 9 Implementation, Evaluation, and Control. Again, this is Connie Asis together with Mary Grace Rimando, the presenter of this lab activity. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a good day and God bless.